Hello everybody, I'm Matthew Heines and I'd like to talk to you for a second about a possible sponsorship on Patreon. Now, what do you get when you sponsor me on Patreon? You actually get three channels. You get the Matthew Heines channel, you get the Deceptions of the Ages news channel, and you also get the Matthew Heines for U.S. Senate channel, which could be the U.S. Or the Matthew Heines for Washington State Governor channel if I don't get into the U.S. legislature in November. So there are sponsorships available for $3, $5, and $10 a month. And what these things go to cover is basically my expenses. I need to get a better camera. I shoot everything on an iPhone right now. And of course I need lighting. And at some point in time, I'm going to have to get a bigger studio. So I need all of these things, but I need you to sponsor me now. $3, $5, even $10 a month is not that much. I put out videos 4 times a month at least. This week I put out 3 videos, and whenever there's a breaking story or something happening, you're going to get an in-depth analysis from somebody who has an in-depth far-reaching background in not only history but politics and all of the things that are going on. And if you want to know anything more about me, just look at my website hindsight.com, and you can see that I am also an author of 5 books. So please consider sponsoring me on Patreon, and once you consider sponsoring me, please just do it. I really need a sponsorship, and it's very difficult to have to ask people for money, but in order to keep doing this, I really need a sponsorship, or just go out and buy a few of my books. So thank you for your time, and I'm Matthew Heines, and we'll see you next time on one of my famous channels. Thank you.